Utah Colton Hunter and 15-year-old head horse, Johnny Cash. I've saw some videos of this horse, have seen some videos of this horse and quite a bit of stuff, but I've never seen the horse until today or been on him. The horse looks amazing on the videos I've seen for what I would say like a little bit higher number, maybe from the 10 on up, 11 on up, just maybe not perfect for a real low number guy on slow steers, but we'll get on and find out. Tell us a little bit about the horse, and then the horse has one little mark we're going to look at.
So my dad bought this horse just this spring. Very nice horse, very solid. Gives you the same run every time. Strong to the horn. Face is real nice. We've roped on him. I've roped on him. My other brothers roped on him. My dad's roped on him. We just have other horses behind him, and so we just don't really need him. But he's right now at the prime of his life, working good, and it's kind of what he is. It's the same run every time.
Okay, let's tell us about show right here, Keaton. Tell us about this little.
So we bought him, and you can see there's a bump here. So when we got him home, we noticed it, saw it. Hasn't taken a lame step since we've owned him, but we wanted to get an x-ray on it, so we have x-rays on it. We have a vet statement on it. The vet just says it's scar tissue. There's nothing wrong with it. Like I say, it hasn't affected him at all. Like you said, he's 15 years old, so something happened at some point in his life, but it is scar tissue. If you want to get in close, you can kind of see it, and we have x-rays. We'll send the x-rays over on that if anybody wants to look at them.
They've talked to a vet about it, and the vet says he's totally sound, there's no problem, but you can barely notice it, but there is a little mark there. Normally we saddle them and kind of walk around them, but this horse is 15 and super gentle, so we're going to forego the saddling today and just let pull rope a couple. There he is. What would you say this horse is? 15 hands, dead on 15 hands, and really heavy made. Cash after Colton ran a couple. This horse turned around in the box every single time, back up in the corner, stand, score like a champ. A lot of these steers are slipping, so I kind of have to let him out there a little ways and let him go. Of course, I don't know if he just is the fastest horse in the world, but man, this horse is quick across the line and has what I think is great run. Gets to the steers good. Super, super easy to rope the horns on. The only place, like I felt like we talked about, this horse, right when I wrote, I let this horse get a little bit ahead of me and get a little bit strong, just a tiny bit through the corner, but then pick him back up. Horse wants to pull good. Finish is amazing. I think they're right. Like, I don't know if this horse would be perfect for a number 4 or guys in like the 8 and the 9. But anything where you have steers, you want to go be aggressive and have some that you can be aggressive or take to like amateur rodeos or circuit rodeos. I think this horse is amazing and something you could run 4 steers on at the house and be ready to go. So this is what we rode him in, just a little correction bit with a roller chain port. Not really a chain, but port. So usually we talked about that before, but we didn't. So that's my take on Johnny Cash.